There's Dutch playing in the rain for the first time. He loves it. Sort of. Dutch, what do you think of all that rain? What do you think of that? Pretty cool, huh? Look at you, soaking wet. You're soaking wet. You're soaking wet. You gonna go back out there?
He's got dirty hands. I think he's gonna go back out.
You gonna go back out? What do you think of it? Hey, what do you think? Are you doing it again? You doing it again? There he goes. Go for it. You know you're in the rain, right? Hey, you getting rained on. Hi! Where are you going? Where are you going? That's far enough. Come back. Come here.
That's it. Here.